Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am sharing with you how to make brown rice in the Instant Pot. Because even though brown rice can be trickier to get right as compared to white rice and takes longer to cook, Instant Pot makes it super easy. And I am using brown Sona Masoori rice for this recipe, but you can use this as a baseline for other kinds of brown rice too. Also, today I am going to share how to make brown rice directly in the Instant Pot and also using the pot in pot method. So let's get started, shall we? One thing before we start though, it's always ideal to soak brown rice before cooking it to reduce the quantity of phytic acid and arsenic and also for the texture. But with Instant Pot, you'll get the soft and fluffy texture even without soaking it. Though if you have the time, it's still best to soak brown rice for reducing the phytic acid and arsenic. Now, if you're cooking a larger quantity of rice, anything over 1.5 cups, it's best to cook the rice directly in the main inner pot of the Instant Pot. To make brown rice directly in the Instant Pot, add washed and drained brown rice and water in 1:2 ratio. In this case, I'm using 2 cups of brown rice, so I'm adding 4 cups of water. Then close the Instant Pot lid, ensure it's sealed, and pressure cook on high for 22 minutes. The rice is ready when the float valve comes down on its own. If you're cooking only a little bit of brown rice, anything under 1.5 cups, it's best to cook the rice using the pot in pot method so that the inner pot stays clean for you to cook something else. To make brown rice using the pot in pot method, pour 1 cup of water in the main inner pot of the Instant Pot and then place the steel trivet in the main pot. In a small steel bowl, add washed and drained brown rice and water in 1:2 ratio. In this case, I'm using 1 cup of rice, so I'm adding 2 cups of water. Once the steel bowl is on the trivet, close the Instant Pot lid, ensure it's sealed, and pressure cook on high for 25 minutes. The rice is ready when the float valve comes down on its own. One last thing to note, cooked brown rice does not retain grain shape like white rice. Due to pressure, the outer bran ruptures and the grain opens along the longer axis. This is just a characteristic of brown rice and totally okay. And there you have it, soft and fluffy brown rice cooked in the Instant Pot. I hope you try this recipe in the Instant Pot and enjoy! For the written and printable version of this recipe, check the link in the description box below. And if you like this video, please hit the like button at the bottom of this video. It really helps me out. And subscribe if you haven't already. Until I see you in my next one, happy cooking!